What are the best proofreading strategies for checking test work? Imagine finishing a test and feeling confident, but then wondering if you caught every mistake. That's where good proofreading comes in. It can make the difference between a good score and a perfect one. When you check your work carefully, you avoid silly errors that can cost you points. It also helps you build confidence in your answers. So, what are the best ways to proofread your test work? Let's explore some proven strategies. First, slow down. When you rush, your brain might skip over mistakes. Take a few seconds to read each question and answer slowly. Use your finger, a pen, or a ruler to underline each line or word as you read. This keeps your focus sharp and prevents you from skimming. Reading one line at a time on a printed test helps you concentrate on details rather than the overall meaning. Next, try reading your answers aloud. Hearing your words can reveal awkward phrasing or grammatical errors that you might miss when reading silently. It also helps you catch run-on sentences or missing words. If you're short on time, do this for key answers or tricky questions. Another useful tip is to proofread in stages. Don't try to catch every mistake in one go. Focus on spelling first. Then, check punctuation, and finally review formatting and whether your answers fully respond to the questions. This step-by-step approach makes proofreading less overwhelming and more effective. Reading sentences backward is a clever trick. Start at the last sentence and work your way to the beginning. This forces your brain to focus on each sentence's spelling and grammar without being influenced by the overall meaning. It's especially helpful for catching errors that hide because they make sense in context. If you have time, take a break before proofreading. Even a short pause can refresh your eyes and mind. When you return, you'll see your work with fresh eyes and spot mistakes you previously overlooked. This is a simple way to improve accuracy. Checking for consistency is also important. Look at your formatting. Are your answers neat and aligned? Make sure you answered all parts of each question. Watch for common grammar issues like subject-verb agreement, verb-tense consistency, and correct pronoun use. These small details can make your answers clearer and more professional. Finally, if possible, ask someone else to review your work. A friend, classmate, or family member can catch errors you might miss. They can also tell you if your answers make sense and are easy to understand. To sum up, the best proofreading strategies include slowing down and focusing on each word, reading aloud, doing multiple passes for different error types, reading sentences backward, taking breaks, checking formatting and completeness, and getting a second opinion if you can. Using these methods systematically will help you catch more mistakes, boost your confidence, and improve your exam results. Remember, checking your work carefully is a skill that pays off every time you sit for a test.